Did you know that 4,500 years ago, people in Harappa lived better than most Europeans would for the next 2,000 years? Welcome to Harappa in 2500 BCE, where every street had covered sewers running underneath. While other civilizations were just figuring out farming, these people built the world's first modern cities with standardized bricks and sophisticated planning. Picture walking down their streets. You'd see multi-story houses with private bathrooms and wells. Merchants in bustling markets used precisely carved stone weights to trade goods. Everyone wore soft cotton clothing and beautiful jewelry. For breakfast, families ate warm wheat bread with seasoned lentils. In their free time, people gathered at massive public baths to relax and socialize. What's amazing is how equal their society was. No palaces, no obvious rich and poor areas. Their mysterious script, found on thousands of seals, still can't be read today. These people created urban planning so advanced that it wouldn't be matched for millennia. They prove that ancient doesn't mean primitive.